Hey, hi everyone. In this video I'm going to unbox this Amazon parcel which has just been delivered at my doorstep, and I'm very excited to see what's there in this box. So let's open it. So you can see it's a blade in my hand right now, and I'm doing it alone. I'm shooting this video as well as I'm just going to open this box. So let me do it myself, and there is no one. Usually my sister shoots the video, but today she is not here. I don't know where she is. She must be at home. She's my cousin actually, you know? She's my own sister. I'm so unfortunate. Anyway, here's the box. Let me open it. Let me see whether the right book is here in the box or not. Okay, I'm not a good YouTuber. I'm a very bad YouTuber, by the way. Oh my god, what's happening? Okay, there is another thing here. Oh my god, what's happening? I don't know. I really don't know. Here. Okay. So amazing. Leo Tolstoy, the greatest short stories, published by Jaiko. Woo! It's a great paperback, by the way. And here it is. You can see this bookmark, The Fault in Our Stars by John Green, of course, if you want to read books by John Green. So this is one kind of advertisement by Flipkart. All right, and here's the bill. Without further ado, let me show you how much I have spent. 150. By the way, excluding the delivery charge, because I'm a Flipkart Plus customer. So yeah, here is the book. Leo Tolstoy, the greatest short stories. 3 questions was my favorite, and it has a lot of pages, by the way. So see you in the next video. If you have liked the video, make sure subscribe to this channel, and can you press the bell icon without subscribing the channel? It's a bad question. Anyway, so see you in the next video. Till then, take care.